Testing 1 2 3. Testing. Testing 1 2 3. Testing. Testing 1 2 3. Testing. Gaming 1 2 3. So if you're watching movies or a game, this is what you can see. Right, we're gonna set it up. We got the instructions in here. All right, everything's included, including the power module. The box is a little large, but the module is not that. It's not that big, so it's gonna fit where we're gonna have it. We're gonna have a TV, and we're gonna have a system too. All right, we're gonna set up the LED lights. This is our internal LED lights first. All right, just be careful because it has double-sided tape. You don't want to take the adhesive off of it because you're gonna need it. All right, so the hooks didn't want to work, so we did a backing for this. So that means he stretched a wood from here all the way halfway here and then cut it, and then another one here, and he pasted it to the top with a couple of screws, and then he was able to screw into the wall. One here on the stud, another one here, and another one here, because if you see it, he's marking it just to make sure that he's going to add enough screws so this thing could hold a lot of weight. So he's able to do that with a piece of wood across and just drill them straight down to the wall. So you got drawers here that you go open them up, all right? And they're like slow drawers, if you guys can see that. These are nice. Now you do have your connections up here. If you're gonna plug a computer or your TV, you got 2 power adapters, 2 USBs, all right? One of the USBs is being taken by the LED lights, but that's optional, you can remove it. Let me talk to you guys. He put screws on the top here, and in the bottom, you see how he did the backing? That's what he did. So he did an extra wood in the back. He did screw so it won't fall down. If you guys can see, this is the only way we got it to work. We tried it the way it came with, but it was very difficult to get the hook. We're able to connect our systems through here all the way to the bottom, so you can have all your stuff connected here, charge it. Look at this, all the way down. It floats. Right, this is with the lights off. If you guys can see, when it changed random colors. Look at that, beautiful. Look at that, green, blue, and we'll go different color modes. We're gonna show you modes, all right? Under modes, you go into mode. Test 1 2 3. Test 1 2 3. We change different mode. Test 1 2 3. This is the audio modes, all right? Test 1 2 3, and this is my favorite. Test 1 2 3. Test 1 2 3. Test test test.